Hello everyone. Are you eagerly waiting to know about the scam-proof Synapse XT supplement? Keep watching this review till the end to get rid of the exact hidden truth behind the product. Before that, make sure you have subscribed my channel for latest reviews and updates of the products. Synapse XT Supplement Reviews. Synapse XT Supplement claims that it can cure tinnitus and hearing loss troubles. After a long research, there are proofs identified to expose the scam promises of Synapse XT Supplement. You can reveal all the hidden truth in this review with evidential proof. At first, the story is about the person Brian Jones, who himself is the fake identity that was clearly proven. That makes us realize that the entire story about him is also false, which lead to invention of Synapse XT. The next scam thing is the author has introduced the doctor named Joseph Barnes who have made research on tinnitus. But it was not true, as the Dr. Joseph Barnes hasn't made any studies on hearing loss or tinnitus. This is made scammer to promote their business by misusing the doctor's name. When we come to the formulation, in the official site it has been mentioned that the supplement is made of tinnitus reversing ingredients, which is completely false and not acceptable. You can find the names of hibiscus, garlic, B vitamins, green tea, juniper berry, vitamin C and more. But there are no clinical evidence that these ingredients can combat tinnitus or hearing loss. They are basic ingredients that consists of essential nutrients naturally that we can find in our food intake. Also, there was a fake claim in the official site that around 50,000 people have cured their tinnitus with this Synapse XT. But there are no medical or legal proof for this radical claim. There are false testimonials found in the site that misguide the customers towards purchase of product. But they are not real people and the feedbacks are fake and computer generated. Here is the proof of fraudulent image that projects you the truth behind this scam Synapse XT product. Hope this review has helped you to be aware of scam tinnitus supplement and scammers who promote their business through fake information. Safeguard your health from these business tactics of e-commerce companies. After a lot of research, we have identified a best supplement for tinnitus problem. Visit the link in the description to get the product. Don't hesitate to raise your queries below in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.